Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. It has been a while since I have done a video. The last video I done, I won't say I have done a recent video, but I haven't got that to upload because in fact I did say I was having issues with the internet provider I was dealing with. If you watched that video, then you would understand. So I have a lot of big videos on the back burner that should have been put out a long time ago, but the simple fact is I was dealing with the internet provider. Then I had called somebody on internet. They never called me back, so I just said screw it. I'm gonna act hood rich and go ahead and just pay for what I was having issues with the company that's having issues with, because in fact they had me by the, I'm gonna say, but they had me by those, and you know, there was no other provider. Even though when I tried to call this other provider that came out to my house talking about they could do internet, I couldn't get it done the way I wanted it. And then on top of that, it was just gonna be more in the long run after doing this provider. So with that being said, got to get all those videos out. Got a lot of videos done and got a lot of videos recorded. They got to get my computer set up, get it all back, and get back on the ball with the YouTube channel. So enough rambling about that. Today's video is going to be me trying to get these on today. These on both sides, and that means I will have to take off the bumper. If you remember when I did my fog lights, when I do my fog lights, I had to, the whole bumper come off, and then you can take the headlights off and stuff like that to get to the turn signals for me to get those to work. Which that's a whole nother video, which that should be up before this video. There's a lot of videos should be up before this video. I will not I'm trying not to get out of sync, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on this and get the headlights in. Then I have another video for other stuff, but I want to do the headlights first, then do the other thing, and then do another thing. A lot of videos for you guys, a lot of content. And then after that, I do have a video on something else. I got more things coming. Guys, I got a lot of content. I'm trying to get as much things done before a certain time. I don't have a goal set in mind. I want to get other things done with this car while I can do it. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and rip the bumper off, rip it off. And then I might go ahead and just take this off right here to make it easier for my next install that I'm gonna do. And then after I do that, then I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the bumper on the side and just go ahead and install these headlights. I don't know if you saw that video neither of me, you know, when I ordered them. It's just been a while, like I said. So I said I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get the stuff so I can start taking stuff off, and that way we can get into the video while it's, I'm not gonna say nice, but it's chilly. But you know, at the same time, I'm trying to get back into working on my car in any weather, no matter if it's raining, sleet, or snowing. I do have a little tent type deal that I can put up, and then I can really work on my car while it's raining. So let that be something that's going to be noted, that I can literally borrow my wife's tent, that I can work on my car if need be in the rain. Don't let the rain stop me from doing what I want to do. Just have to push it out a little bit. Buy me a couple of buckets, put some water in it, you know, and go from there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to pause it right here, and then I'm going to resume the video with my other camera, and we're going to go ahead and take the bumper off. Like I said, take the bumper off, and then put the headlights in. So I shall return here shortly. Okay, I removed all the screws. You see this one right here, remove that screw. And then I removed this screw. There's a screw right there. You see that? See the little hole right there? See the little hole right here? There's a screw that goes in there. Do that, and then I got some screws on the bottom that I got to take off underneath. Once I take those off, then the rest of this should pop off. I'm gonna go ahead and set you up, and then we might do just a time lapse of me taking everything off, and then we'll resume from the time lapse of me taking the bumper off and putting the headlights on. Then we'll put the headlights on. these are the new headlights. These are the new headlights. Hopefully you guys like them. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed now. While I have it in my hand, I literally got gloves on so I don't touch this and I don't touch my bulbs. So I'm gonna go ahead and back you guys up a little bit so that way you can see everything. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in after taking these guys off.
Drake Beats.
And I just noticed I have to take that bracket off the bottom of that one over there to get it to fit. But it's gonna be nice. Nice. So let's get these brackets off. Let's get these brackets off and then I'll resume here shortly. After I get these brackets off, put them on there and then I'll put those on. So let me get the brackets off. Now that they're installed, let's see what they look like. Ready? Ready? I don't know about you guys, but that looks evil. Yeah. That's nice. I don't know why they turned off though. Let's see why they turned off. Let's see. See what's still on. I guess it's a mechanism they have in the car to keep it from dying, let the lights shut off by themselves. But man, I like that. Comment down below on what you think, how they look. Man, more in store.
more in store for the channel. Like I said, hopefully you like this. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. And guys, we are totally out of here.